Well, hi everyone. Here we are again with our HR training course. And as you know, we have started our candidate sourcing series. So, in this video, I'll tell you what is job X-ray research. Google X-ray is a search technique that utilizes Boolean commands on search engines, particularly Google, to yield a targeted result. So, Google X-ray basically is a type of techniques that we use in Google to find targeted result. It is popular in recruitment. It's a powerful tool for sourcing candidates. By combining specific words and phrases, recruiters can refine their search to pinpoint candidates with desired qualification and skills. So you can get candidates with desired qualification and skills by using this Google X-ray search. So I'll also show you how to do practical. So firstly, you have to come your browser. So here, if you want to search any candidate, then you have to type it here like this. I'm typing, suppose I'm hiring a sales manager. So I'll type sales manager. And now it is showing me the normal results. They are irrelevant, but we want only the sales manager candidate's profile. So you have to type like this, sales manager site LinkedIn. Suppose you are hiring for recruiter, then you can also type it here, recruiter. And if you are hiring for project manager or anything, so here are the list of project managers. Now you have to open this. Here you can see candidate's profile and also you can message him. So if you want to search for specifically any file, then you can also search. Like I'm searching HR in India. Here you have to type, then file type XLS. So if you need a PPT, then you can type PPT. If you need a Word file, then you can type .txt. So for me, I'll type XLS and search. Here are the details of some HR and you will get only Excel file. So I hope you would have understood how to do Google X-ray search. Still, if you have any questions, any queries, then you can reach out to our number. Also, you can check out our website and also you can go for our email ID. For now, thank you for listening.